Welcome to our stenographic tutorial. So here we have the different alphabet Greek shorthand. So we have letter K, letter G, R, L, N, M, T, D, H, T, H, I, and the word he. Okay, next step, I'm going to demonstrate the corresponding sign for each letter. So the consonants are arranged in pairs according to their affinity of sound. So they are distinguished by the difference in length. So the characters for the consonant in these lessons are derived from an elliptical figure. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the letter K. So left to right, left to right, left to right. Next, we have letter G. Okay, letter G. Same with letter K, but the length is longer than letter K. Next, we have letter R. Okay, written forward. R, R. Next is letter L. So left to right, left to right, left to right. So take note, letter R is longer than letter L is longer than letter R. Okay, that we get confused. So letter R is shorter than letter L. Next we have letter N, so straight line, shorter than M, so straight line. For letter M, we have longer than letter N. Okay, this is letter M. Okay, so N is shorter than M. Next is letter T. So straight lines, okay, upward, upward, upward. Next is letter D. Okay, same with letter T, straight line, but the length is longer. Okay, letter D, letter D. Okay, next is letter H. For letter H, the stroke is only a dot sign. Okay, so dot lang. Letter H. Okay. Next is the TH. So two strokes for TH, the upper and the lower. Okay, we'll go into demonstrate the upper first. So TH, the lower TH, upper, lower, upper, and lower. Okay, for the TH, we have medyo curve siya compare sa letter T. Next, we have the I. So, big circle, that is letter I. Next is the word he. For the word he, that is only a small circle. Okay, naa siya'y buho gamay. So, these are the following signs. So, this is the signs and the letter. Okay, so I hope you learned this tutorial and thank you for watching. See you for the next lessons. Bye.